Here we are at East Lake. Hey Ben.
How you doing?
Pretty good. At East Lake here. We're on the east side of East Lake. It is flowing here. If I were to put a little tiny, well, here we go. Here's a little boat. See this little boat? And here's a little boat. So I got two little boats here. Where are they? All right, I got two little boats. This one, I'm gonna drop in here. Okay, I'm gonna drop that in there. There it goes. It's going there. It's going to the Pacific Ocean. It's down there. It's floating down here. It's gonna keep on going to the Pacific Ocean. This is water seepage from Lake Isa after a lady named Isabel, and it's gonna, this is just a, they call it Isa Lake. It's more of a pond, and that flows to the Pacific Ocean. Counterintuitive because it's going east. And we'll go to the west side over here. We'll go to the west side and we'll drop in this boat and it goes to the Atlantic.
You're gonna do what?
This boat. This is
you're
Mike.
doing a
Say hi, Mike.
Oh, hey. You're doing boats?
Yeah.
You're doing boats?
Say hi, Joe.
Hey, peeps.
Yeah, so this is the deal. That's Lake Isa right here. We just pulled in here. That little drainage that goes east goes to the Pacific, and when I drop something over here by this bridge over there, it's gonna go to the Atlantic. So I'm gonna drop it off over here. And this is East Lake. I'm looking, this one says 8,363 feet. This one says 8,262. We're really close from GPS watch elevation. Yeah, I got to. Oh, yeah, see, it says Isa Lake. Last year there was snow on the edge right there. Yeah. So this is Isa Lake. We're going to get, we can go across the road. Here I got my little boat in my hand. I know the wind's blowing a little bit. Still part of Isa Lake. I'm throwing my boat in, and it didn't didn't go very far. Hold on, let me get a little thicker boat. There's a bigger boat. Kind of funny. Little thicker boat because I couldn't get it in the water. The wind was blowing. But here it goes. There it is. And it's going to go that way to the Atlantic Ocean. Of course, the wind makes it look like it's drifting somewhere else, but eventually it's going to go that way and flow off down there to the Atlantic Ocean that way. Goes down to the goes down to the Firehole River, and then into the Madison. Madison creates the Missouri. Missouri goes into Mississippi. Mississippi goes into the Gulf of Mexico, hence the Atlantic. And then again over here on this side, it goes to
I'm crossing.
Lewis Lake.
Oh, there they are. I think that was them.
That was Chris and Jackson, wasn't it? That's funny. They just took off. So this is Easter Lake. Atlantic side behind us, Pacific side this way.